How to cancel LinkedIn Premium free trial. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Launch your LinkedIn application and then tap on your profile icon. Go to settings. And if you have purchased a premium feature, you will be able to see premium features in this account preferences section. Then, if you want to cancel it, what you have to do is go to view purchase history. You'll have to have the desktop site for this, and so yeah, you will have the option of cancel premium if you have subscribed any package. Since I have not subscribed to any package or even the free trial, I am not being able to see that option. But if you have subscribed to the LinkedIn free premium free trial, you will also see an option to cancel subscription, and you just have to tap on it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.